Oh, with dialogue itself, the mass theory. Huh? Oh. Huh?
Welcome to Cheers with Cheng. So let's react to the next Telugu movie. അത് വേറൊന്നല്ല നമ്മുടെ പ്രഭാസ് അനുഷ്ക ഷെട്ടി രണ്ടുപേരുടെയും കോമ്പോയിൽ ഇറങ്ങിയ 2013 മൂവിയാണ് മിർച്ചി. ആ പേര് തന്നെ എന്താ പറയുക, ഒരു നമ്മൾ പറയില്ല ഒരു കാരം
കാരം എഫക്റ്റ് ആണ്. പ്രത്യേകിച്ച് നമ്മൾ തുടങ്ങിയത് ഈ ചാനലിൽ എനിക്കൊന്ന് ഗുണ്ടൂർ
കാരം മൊത്തത്തിൽ ഒരു കാരം എഫക്റ്റ് ആണ്. അഗെയിൻ മിർച്ചി വി ഗോട്ട് ലോട്ട്സ് ഓഫ് സജഷൻസ് ഫോർ എന്താ പറയാ മിർച്ചി മൂവിക്ക്. അതുകൂടാണ്ട് വേറെ മൂവീസിനൊക്കെ ഉണ്ട്. പക്ഷെ എന്താ പറയാ, ദിസ് ഇസ് ദ സ്റ്റേജ് ഏറ്റവും ബെറ്റർ ആയിട്ട് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റിയത് എനിക്ക് തോന്നുന്നു പ്രഭാസിന്റെ മൂവി തന്നെയാണ് തോന്നുന്നത്. ഡെബ്യൂട്ട് മൂവിയാണ് ആസ് എ ഡയറക്ടർ. കാരണം എന്ന് വെച്ചിട്ടുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ ലൈക്ക് വി വർ ഓൾസോ ഷോക്ഡ് ബിക്കോസ് പേഴ്സണലി ഐ ഹാവൻ വാച്ച്ഡ് എനി ഓഫ് ഹിസ് മൂവീസ്. ഇപ്പോ ദേവര മൂവി വരുന്നുണ്ട്, അതിലൂടെയാണ് ഐ ഗോട്ട് ടു നോ ആൻഡ് ഐ റിയലി ലൈക്ഡ് ഓൾ ഓവർ ദ തിങ്സ് വിച്ച് ഇസ് ദേ പബ്ലിഷ്ഡ്. അപ്പൊ അതിന് ശേഷമാണെന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ ദിസ് നെയിം കൊരട്ടാല ശിവ കുറേ കേട്ടിട്ടുണ്ട്. Then I'm getting to know like Janata Garage is also directed by
ശിവയാണ്. ആൻഡ് അദ്ദേഹത്തിന്റെ പ്രത്യേകത പറയുന്നത് കംപ്ലീറ്റ്ലി എന്റർടൈനർ ആയിരിക്കും കൂടുതൽ ഉണ്ടാവുക. ആക്ഷന് നല്ല ഇമ്പോർട്ടൻസ് ഉണ്ടാവും, ബട്ട് he will go with the entertainer package also. Like it's a complete package. അതാണ് അദ്ദേഹത്തിന്റെ മൂവിന്റെ ഒരു പ്രത്യേകത.
And also like ആ ഇയറിൽ 2013 I have heard about this movie. കാരണം എന്ന് വെച്ചാൽ എങ്ങനെയോ കേട്ടിട്ടുണ്ട്. എനിക്ക് തോന്നുന്നു ആ ഇൻഡസ്ട്രിയിലെ തന്നെ ഹയസ്റ്റ് ആയിരുന്നു തോന്നുന്നു അല്ലെ
ആ സമയത്ത് 2013 നമ്മൾ വായിച്ച അറിവിൽ വെച്ചിട്ട് 2013 തന്നെ ഹയസ്റ്റ്
87 crores ആണ് അത് മൂവി കളക്ട് ചെയ്തേക്കുന്നത്.
till that time ആ ഒരു നമ്മളെ തെലുഗു ഇൻഡസ്ട്രിയിലെ തന്നെ ഓൾ ടൈം ഗ്രോസിംഗ് മൂവി കൂടിയായിരുന്നു ആ സമയത്ത്. മൂവിയിലെ ആ ഒരു കോമ്പിനേഷൻ പ്രഭാസ് ആൻഡ് അനുഷ്ക ഷെട്ടി. നമ്മള് ഇപ്പൊ ബാഹുബലിയിലൂടെയാണ് നമ്മൾ കൂടുതൽ
we don't know much of their combos, പക്ഷേ we have seen a lot of their എന്താ പറയാ വീഡിയോസ് ഒക്കെ കണ്ടിട്ടുണ്ട്. ലൈക്ക് അവരുടെ കുറെ റൊമാൻറ്റിക് ആയിട്ടുള്ള വീഡിയോസ് ഒക്കെ നമ്മൾ എന്താ ക്രിയേറ്റ് ചെയ്ത വീഡിയോസ് ഇട്ടൊക്കെ നമ്മൾ കണ്ടിട്ടുണ്ട്. സോ ത്രൂ ദാറ്റ് നമ്മൾക്ക് അറിയാം ഇവര് രണ്ടുപേരും എല്ലാവർക്കും ഇഷ്ടമാണ് എന്നുള്ളത്. ബാഹുബലിയിലൂടെ നമ്മൾക്ക് ഇഷ്ടമാണ്, പക്ഷെ ബാഹുബലിയിൽ അത്രയ്ക്ക് സംഭവം ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നു എന്ന് വെച്ചാൽ we had a lot of, പക്ഷെ അതിനകത്ത് കിട്ടിയിട്ടുണ്ടായിരുന്നില്ല. So this is the first movie we are going to watch a combination of Prabhas and
Anushka Shetty
after Bahubali.
And അതും young ആയിട്ടുള്ള ആ ഒരു സമയത്ത് 2013 almost like 11 years back.
So definitely both of their looks will be different. And again ഇനി അവർ തമ്മിൽ ഒരു മൂവി ഉണ്ടാവുമെന്ന് നമുക്ക് അറിയില്ല. So we have to wait and watch. അപ്പൊ എന്തായാലും let's experience.
And വേറൊരു കാര്യം ഉണ്ടോ, സ്റ്റാർ കാസ്റ്റിനകത്ത് വായിച്ചപ്പോ സത്യരാജ് മൂവിനകത്തുണ്ട് ആൻഡ് ബ്രഹ്മാനന്ദം സാറും ഉണ്ട്. അപ്പൊ എന്തായാലും ഒരു നല്ല പാക്കേജ് സാധനങ്ങൾ ഉണ്ടാവും. DSP ആണ് ബാക്ക്ഗ്രൗണ്ട് സ്കോർ മ്യൂസിക് മൊത്തത്തിൽ ചെയ്തിരിക്കുന്നത്.
അപ്പൊ എന്തായാലും ഇതെന്താ ജോണർ എന്താ?
ആക്ഷൻ
ഡ്രാമയാണ്. അപ്പൊ എന്തായാലും ലെറ്റ്സ് വാച്ച് എന്താ സംഭവം എന്നുള്ളത് നമുക്ക് നോക്കാം. എനിക്ക് കുറച്ച് എക്സ്പെക്ടേഷൻ ഉണ്ട്, കാരണം ആ ഒരു പണ്ടത്തെ പ്രഭാസിനെ കാണാനായിട്ടും. ആൻഡ് ഐ ജസ്റ്റ് വാണ്ടഡ് ടു നോ ലൈക്ക് ഞാൻ പ്രഭാസിനെ കാണാൻ തുടങ്ങിയത് ഫ്രാങ്ക്ലി ഐ എം സ്പീക്കിംഗ് ഫ്രം ബാഹുബലിയാണ്. അതിന് മുന്നേ പ്രഭാസിനെ ഞാൻ കണ്ടിട്ടില്ല മൂവീസ് ഒക്കെ ഇല്ലേ, സെയിം വേ. അപ്പൊ അതുകൊണ്ട് നമുക്ക് കാണാം.
റെഡി? മിലാൻ, ഇറ്റലി.
സ്റ്റാർട്ടിംഗ് ഫ്രം
ഇറ്റലി
ആണോ? അതെ. Is it entry?
It's an entry, I think.
So soon.
Starting itself.
Oh. Young Prabhas.
Poli.
Different. I know what the song.
A song or anything?
Yeah, kind of a song.
Maybe like that. Some movies like that, no? Our time, era.
The vibe of 2013.
Yeah. No, not song. I think it's a background
score only, like
DSP.
Magic of DSP.
Rockstar.
Yeah.
He'll be rock.
Yeah, that's what. Rockstar.
Huh? Which location it is?
Italy.
Italy. Yeah. That's why the background. But there it's VFX, I think. Not fully. No?
Kind of.
No. నేను ఎవరో నీకు తెలుసా? Senator's only son, spoiled brat Rahul. He knows me. కలిసి కూడా దేశం కాని దేశంలో టైం కాని టైంలో ఒక అమ్మాయి హెల్ప్ చేయమని అడిగితే అట్లీస్ట్ ట్రై చేయాలి కదా డూడ్. అంటే కొడేస్తావా? దానివల్ల ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ పెరుగుతాయి కానీ సాల్వ్ అవ్వవు. కాసేపు ఓపెన్ గా మాట్లాడుకుంటే పని అయిపోతుంది. వీళ్ళకి ఎంత డబ్బు ఇచ్చావో తెలియదు కానీ వీళ్ళు నీకోసం ఎంత రిస్క్ అన్న చేసేలా ఉన్నారు. ముందు చైనా వస్తాడు, వీళ్ళు దూకుడు ఎక్కువ. పుష్ చేసి వాడికి ఒక బ్లో 5 seconds గాల్లో కింద పడ్డాడు.
విత్ డైలాగ్ ఇట్సెల్ఫ్ ద మాస్.
Time is also there.
And he is telling before itself.
వాడిని చూసి వీడ్ అవుతాడు, రెచ్చిపోయి చేయలేపుతాడు. చైన్ మేలేసి లెఫ్ట్ లెగ్ తో 1 kick గాల్లో 2 seconds ట్రావెల్ గోడకి.
Theory. First is theory. Correct style. Starting itself.
ఇంత జరిగిన తర్వాత నీ వెనకాల సైలెంట్ ఉంటాడా? వాడి కండలు నమ్ముకుని వచ్చేస్తాడు. వాడికి తెలియదు ఏంటంటే వాడి కండలు కంటే వాటి వెనకాల గుండె, ఆ గుండెకి ఒక్కటిస్తా. ఇట్ విల్ బి సంథింగ్.
It's showing nicely, no?
ఒకప్పుడు రావడానికి సైకలాజికల్ గా భయంస్తారు, మంచిగా వచ్చేస్తారు.
Very intelligent. అതാണ് అడిగింది అగ్రెషన్.
Before fight, he will narrate, I think. Done, start.
ఏంటి మాటలతో సరిపెట్టేస్తున్నాడు అనుకుంటున్నావా? కట్టౌట్ చూసి కొన్ని నమ్మేయాడు. కానీ ఇలా చేయాలంటే నాలో ఉన్న క్యారెక్టర్ చంపేసుకోవాలి. వీలైతే ప్రేమిద్దాం డూడ్, పోయిదా ఉంది. మహా అయితే తిరిగి ప్రేమిస్తారు.
లవ్వరా?
When? It started only, no?
Shashi.
What's up, man? Come on, man. Tell me, what did you say? Lava. Bullshit.
Is it real or something like that?
I have no idea.
Starting scene itself.
Thanks a lot.
I was
I'm
expecting
Hey.
Anushka Shetty.
No, first.
మీరు లేకపోతే ఏం జరిగేదో తలుచుకుంటేనే
హైదరాబాద్
మా చెల్ల దగ్గర ఇరుగవరం అనే ఊరు.
పల్నాడు. ఎనివే, లైఫ్ లో జరిగిన లాస్ట్ 2 hours మర్చిపో. గుడ్ నైట్. కీప్ స్మైలింగ్.
Impressed.
1 week అయిపోయిందే. ఎవరితో ఫ్లాష్ లాగా కనపడి వెళ్ళిపోయాడు.
Oh.
ఇంకా వాడి గురించి ఆలోచిస్తూ ఉంటావా? యు నో వాట్ బాయ్స్, వాడు కూడా నీలాగే డిస్టర్బ్ అయి ఉంటే వదిలిపెట్టేవాడా? వెంట పడి హింసించేవాడు. జస్ట్ ఫోకస్ చేయాలి. వీడేనా?
నువ్వేంటి ఇక్కడ? ఇది మీ స్ట్రీట్. ఆ రోజు నైట్ నేను నైట్ గా సరిగా గుర్తులేదు. ఆ రోజు నువ్వు థ్యాంక్స్ కూడా చెప్పావు. ఎస్, నీ పేరు మానస. రైట్? వాట్ అ కోఇన్సిడెన్స్. నా బాయ్ కరెక్ట్ గా మీ స్ట్రీట్ లో మీ ఇంటి ముందే ప్రాబ్లం వచ్చి అయిపోయింది. ఫనీ, రైట్? రియల్లీ ఫనీ. One sec, dude.
Actually, you're watching Prabhas legs.
That too with full cool.
That's what. This is more we haven't watched.
So, what's up?
Very cool.
బైక్ కూడా స్టార్ట్ అయిపోయింది. స్ట్రేంజర్. Hi girls, I'm Jay.
వీలైతే ప్రేమిద్దాం, పోయేదేముంది. బ్లా బ్లా బ్లా.
నువ్వు నా గురించి వెళ్ళి చెప్పావు కదా. That's really cool. Coffee.
Hey, కాఫీ తాగి కాలేజ్ వచ్చేయ్. Come on girls.
See, బైక్ కూడా రెడీ అయిపోయింది.
Some of the time.
Oh,
This is.
Jay కదా?
this is Shisa.
What's her name?
Her name is Richa.
Richa, no?
Dinner? Wine and dinner tonight?
Sorry Jay, గ్రాసరీస్ కొనుక్కోవాలి, రూమ్ క్లీన్ చేసుకోవాలి. Some of the time.
Oh.
Some other time. No time, baby.
Different, completely.
Different from us. That's
I'm
what we are shocked. వీటిలో అన్నా
స్వామి మనం ఫ్లాట్ ని ఇంత అందంగా చేశాడు, మంచి వైట్ తీసుకొచ్చాడు, చిన్న ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ కూడా ఇవ్వకపోతే ఎలా?
వైట్ కలర్ కుక్క పిల్లలు ఇళయరాజా మ్యూజిక్ ఆకాశం చూసి స్టార్స్ నుంచి చూడు. I swear I'm going to get ready, man. I'm very hungry. Food is all.
He's talking also different, no?
he's talking.
Maybe we have
he's-
not seen the
Yeah,
Telugu, no?
that's what.
Telugu version.
Telugu version.
Bahubali.
Yeah. Chip, not Telugu version.
Original version we have not seen, no?
Good night. Bye bye. Prevent program. Oh, we can get the countryside as well. It's really fun, you know. If you want to join, you can join.
యాక్చువల్లీ
Yeah. Some other time. Anyway, later after need to chatan. If you want to come, you can come. Morning 7. Bye bye.
My Prabhas is not like this. Right.
Ah. Huh? That is Hindi song. Beat is like a Punjabi beat.
Punjabi beat. And actually in Telugu movies they use.
Like some Allu Arjun movie vibes, no? Mika Singh.
Mika Singh.
Sound is like that. Right, no?
Very naughty. That naughty face.
Full like a Hindi movie, no?
Ah, song especially.
Ah.
Witnessing a different
Had fun.
Prabhas.
No, Jay. It's the best time. లైఫ్ అంతా ఇలాగే ఉంటే బాగుంది జయ్.
అది మన ఇష్టం మనసా. మనం ఎలా ఉండాలనుకుంటే అలా ఉంటుంది మన లైఫ్.
కాదు జయ్, నా లైఫ్ అలా ఎప్పటికీ ఉండదు. మా ఫ్యామిలీ, మా ఊరు, అక్కడ మనుషులు అంత వేరు జయ్.
Huh?
Ah. Oh. Oh. Suddenly sound came, no?
I'll not watch all this.
పగలు చదువుకోవటాలు తప్ప నీలా ఉండటం, నీలా ప్రేమించడం వాళ్ళకి తెలియదు. ఎంతో కష్టపడి ఆ నరకం నుంచి అట్లీస్ట్ స్టడీస్ కోసమైనా ఇక్కడి దాకా రాగలిగాను.
Oh.
చదువు పూర్తవగానే మళ్ళీ ఆ నరకానికి తిరిగి వెళ్ళిపోవాలి. కానీ ఇక్కడ నేను చూసిన తర్వాత ప్రతి క్షణం నీలా ఉండాలని, నీతోనే ఉండాలని, లైఫ్ అంతా హ్యాపీగా ఉండాలనిపిస్తుంది.
హ్యాపీగా ఉంటే తప్పేంటి మనసా.
ఇక్కడ నీతో ఉన్న ఈ కొన్ని రోజులు హ్యాపీగానే ఉంటాను. కానీ ఈ హ్యాపీనెస్ ని నాతో పాటు ఊరికి తీసుకెళ్ళలేను. ఇక నుంచి నన్ను నాలాగా ఉండనివ్వచ్చే. దయచేసి ఇంకెప్పుడు నన్ను కలవద్దు,
Mm.
ఇంకెప్పుడు నాకు కనిపించద్దు.
Huh? Why this type of rejection?
She should have told in the beginning itself, no, all this. Again, she might want to enjoy a bit of Adapuna. The village is so scary, right?
Ah. Our village, no? Where it is? Bharatiya Institute of.
Bharatiya Institute.
అందరూ చదువుకోవడానికి ఇండియా నుంచి ఫారెన్ కి పరిగెడుతుంటే నువ్వేంటి బాబు ఫారెన్ నుంచి ఇండియాకి వచ్చావు?
Oh.
Her village.
ఒక అమ్మాయి కోసం సార్.
He's coming back to India for studies itself. Hey, that guy only, no? He was
That
there.
guy, he'll be always in every Telugu movies. And first he'll come as a villain, then
then
later
he'll
he'll
change.
become.
Later he'll become change.
Yeah, he'll change his color, right?
Oh.
Comedy.
జాగ్రత్త బాబు 10 ఏళ్ళ చిన్నపిల్ల ఉన్నాడు జాయిన్ అయిన వాళ్ళందరూ ఇచ్చారు కూడా మా ఫోన్ అన్నతో పెట్టుకుంటే ఇలాగే ఉంటది
Come here for that girl only. Randa on that.
ఉత్సవోపిస్తుండు ఈయన అయ్యా గిట్లనే కంటున్నైతే మొత్తానికి అవలగాలమైపోతాం దాని మొత్తం
Studying full college.
Maybe it's a campus movie.
Campus movie, yeah.
Don't know.
గురించి ఆలోచన చేసేది లేదు ఏ శైలి
No way.
It's a different look again. Le.
Ah.
Huh?
ఎవడో నువ్వు కష్టంలో వేసిస్తా కొడుకు
Ah.
ఆ పూర్ణ గుర్లేండి వాడిని నేను హ్యాండిల్ చేస్తా
రే కొడుకుల గుట్టాల వల్ల పెట్టే ముందు వచ్చినా నువ్వు నడిమిట్లా పరిచయం చేయు
నీ టెంపో నాకు అర్థమైంది కొంచెం పాస్ ఎవరు నెక్కితే ఆ పూర్ణ
ఏ నడిమిట్లా నీ ముందు తాసేద్దా పోయి నువ్వు పక్కన
Purna? Who is Purna?
నువ్వు బాగా రెచ్చిపోతున్నావు సరే ఓపెన్ చేద్దాం మీరు నేను కొట్టేసుకున్నాం ఎవరు విన్ అయితే పూర్ణ వాళ్ళ సొంతం
Huh? That's all. Fight is over.
కాకపోయినా వాడిని నేను బాగానే హ్యాండిల్ చేయగలను కదా ఎమోషన్ తొగడా నాన్న అంత ఓవర్ యాక్షనే నీకు తెలియంది నువ్వైతే ఎక్దం రిధమ్ లో ఉన్నావు ఈ మ్యాటర్ నువ్వు హ్యాండిల్ చేసుడే కరెక్ట్ నమస్తే అన్న ఉంటానా మంచి
రూపాయికి తక్కువ సారా నాకెక్కువ
అన్న రేపొద్దున ఆడలో వదిలేసి ఫ్రెష్ గా నమ్మ తిరాను కదా
ఊకోనా పొద్దున ఇంట్రెస్ట్ చేస్తున్నది మేము చదువుకోవాలి అబ్బాయి పర్లేసుకారనరా
It's not going to be a campus movie. No, I feel
The campus?
because his look is like that. He's very young. This is Purna.
థ్యాంక్స్ బాస్ నిన్న రాత్రి కొంచెం మంది ఎక్కువైంది టైంలో వచ్చి ఉండకపోతే వాడు మమ్మల్ని కుమ్మేసేవాడు ఈడేనా
వాళ్ళకి మాత్రమే తెలుసు వాళ్ళు నీకంటే ఎక్కువ తగ్గ అయినడు ఒక అటాక్ అయిన తర్వాత కౌంటర్ అటాక్ ఉంటుందని తెలుసుకోవడం నువ్వు రిలాక్స్ అవుతాడు బాయ్స్ మీరన్నా అలర్ట్ ఉండదు కదా
చేరిందే తాగడానికి కదా
అన్నని అటాక్ చేసింది ఎవరో తెలిసింది ఇప్పుడు అలా తిట్టి తీస్తాం
ఇలాంటి చచ్చేడలు ఇచ్చి చెరగొట్టండి పూర్ణ ఎప్పుడు అటాక్ చేస్తాడని రైవల్స్ అంతా భయంతో ఉంటారు పూర్ణ అటాక్ చేయకుండా కూల్ గా వాళ్ళు భయాన్ని ఎంజాయ్ చేయాలి కానీ మళ్ళీ అటాక్ ఏంటి రెగ్యులర్ గా యూ షుడ్ ట్రై సంథింగ్ న్యూ డూడ్
కొత్తగా చేయవా
ఇంకా హాస్టల్లో అడ్మిషన్స్ ఓపెన్ చేయలేదు
నా రూమ్కి వచ్చేయండి
Oh, hostel.
పద
She, no?
But why he has come to that place when she's here?
కలిపేసుకొచ్చావండి
Oh, starting
Starting
itself.
itself, ah.
ఇదేంటిది? లంక దిల్లి పెట్టుకొని ఎక్కడ ఖాళీ లేదు ఇక్కడ గోడు తీసుకుని కూర్చుంది తప్పకుండా వెళ్ళండి
ఏంటి వీర ప్రతాప్ ఆఫీస్ కా
అవునండి
మా ఫ్రెండ్ జై మా వాడు వీర ప్రతాప్
Friend.
వీర ప్రతాపే ఉంది బాబు మామూలు ప్రతాపే ఒకప్పుడు వీర ప్రతాప్ వీళ్ళు వచ్చిన తర్వాత వీర కట్ చేశాను
సర్లే సోదాపి టీ తీసిన బైక్
బ్యాంక్ అయిపోయింది బాబు వెళ్తున్నాను
టీ నేను ఇస్తాను మీరు వెళ్ళండి బావగారు
ఏంటమ్మా
టీ నేను ఇస్తాను మీరు వెళ్ళండి బావగారు
టీ నువ్వు ఇస్తావు కాఫీ నువ్వు ఇస్తావు భోజనం నువ్వు పెడతావు వాళ్ళు తినరు నేను ఇస్తేనే తింటాను నువ్వు లోపలికి వెళ్ళు వెళ్ళి లోపలికి వెళ్ళి లోపలికి
That serious Purna again, that comedy.
నేను బెడ్రూమ్ లో పడుకుంటావు నువ్వు వెళ్ళి హాల్లో పడుకో
ఎక్కడ పడితే ఆడు తాగి పడిపోయి నీకు బెడ్రూమ్ ఎదురా ఆ బెడ్రూమ్ లో పడుకుంటాడు మీరు ఇక్కడ ఎక్కడ
Oh. అതാണ് ట్రాక్ ఫ్రెండ్ ఆకి కంపెనీ కొట్టాను నేను
Company hotel.
టీ పెట్టాలి తను లగేజ్ తో వచ్చాడు కదా రెంట్ ఒక 5,000 మీల్స్ 2,000 ఎక్స్ట్రా అవుతుంది
ఎక్స్ట్రా అందరం కలిసి ఒకే రూమ్ లో ఉన్నాం కదా
ఫ్లైట్ లో వెళ్తున్నారు అనుకోండి ఫ్లైట్ ఖాళీగా ఉంది కదా కూర్చుంటే ఊరుకుంటారండి టికెట్ పడతారు కదా
ప్రతాప్ రేపు మన బర్త్డే బ్యాంక్ నుంచి 1,00,000 వచ్చే పార్టీ చేసుకుందాం
అలాగే సార్ థ్యాంక్ యూ
He's the owner, right?
So
But unexpected, like Brahmanandam's entry in the first itself, like usually നമ്മൾ കാണാറുള്ള മൂവീസിൽ എന്ന് വെച്ചാൽ his entry would be almost in the second half, almost to the endലാണ് വരാറുള്ളത്. And I am really surprised. എന്താ കാര്യം എന്ന് വെച്ചിട്ടുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ എനിക്കറിയുന്ന പ്രഭാസ് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് ബാഹുബലി തൊട്ടിട്ടുള്ള പ്രഭാസ് ആണ്. സോ in my mind Prabhas is that Bahubali അല്ലെങ്കിൽ സലാർ അതൊക്കെയാണ് വരുന്നത്. We haven't watched any of his movies. അപ്പൊ അതുകൊണ്ട് തന്നെ this feels so fresh ആണ് അല്ലേ?
Prabhas is completely like a yo-yo Prabhas. അല്ലെ ആ ഒരു സംഭവം
Allu Arjun vibe ഒക്കെ, because Allu Arjun movies we have watched in Malayalam too. പക്ഷെ വേറെ ഒരു ഭയങ്കര cheerful അല്ലെങ്കിൽ എന്താ പറയാ ഒരു യങ് വൈബ്രന്റ് പ്ലേ ബോയ് കൈൻഡ് ഓഫ്
ആ ഒരു കാറ്റഗറി. പക്ഷെ ഫൈറ്റ് ചെയ്യുന്നായാലും ഫൈറ്റ് ഓൾസോ ഷോയിങ് ലൈക്ക് ദാറ്റ്. നോ, ഇപ്പോഴത്തെ പ്രഭാസിന്റെ ഫൈറ്റ് എന്ന് പറയുമ്പോൾ ഭയങ്കര മറ്റേ മാസ് ആ റെഡി ആയിരിക്കും, ഇതിൽ കാണിക്കുന്നില്ല ഒന്നും. ബട്ട് വി ആർ ഫീലിംഗ് ദാറ്റ്.
ആൻഡ് ഓൾസോ ഈസ് വെരി ലൈക്ക് ദ ഹൈറ്റ്, ആ ഒരു ടോൾ സംഭവം നമുക്ക് ഫീൽ ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റുന്നുണ്ട്. അത് മാത്രമല്ല ഈസ് ഓൾമോസ്റ്റ് ലൈക്ക് വിത്ത് ലീൻ മസിൽസ്. ഐ ഫീൽ എനിക്ക് തോന്നുന്നു ആ ഒരു ബൾക്ക് മസിൽസ് വന്നത് ബാഹുബലി തൊട്ടിട്ടാണ് തോന്നുന്നത്. വി ഡോണ്ട് നോ, ബട്ട് ഇതിനകത്ത് വെച്ചാൽ ആ ഒരു ലീൻ മസിൽസ് ആണ്. ബട്ട് ഇസ് മെയിൻറ്റെയിൻഡ് ഹിംസെൽഫ് വെരി വെൽ ആൻഡ് ഹിസ് ഫേസ് ഓൾസോ ലുക്സ് സോ ഡിഫറെന്റ് അല്ലെ? മൊത്തത്തിൽ he's looking so different.
He's look dashing actually. ആ ഒരു സംഭവമാണ് പറയാനുള്ളത്. കംപ്ലീറ്റ്ലി ആ ഒരു ഡാഷിങ് അറിയില്ല. ആ ഒരു എനിക്കൊന്ന് ആ പേരൊക്കെ അതുകൊണ്ടായിരിക്കണം ചിലപ്പോ വീണത്. ഡാർലിംഗ് പ്രഭാസ്,
Darling very lovable kind, എന്താ പറയാ ഭയങ്കര ഇന്നസെന്റ് ഫേസ്, ഒരു എല്ലാം നമ്മൾ അറിയില്ല ഒരു ലവബിൾ കൈൻഡ് ഓഫ് ഒരു പുള്ളിക്കാരനെ കാണുമ്പോൾ അങ്ങനെയാണ് തോന്നുക. ആൻഡ് അത് മാത്രമല്ല I feel like the first scene was like a kind of a mixture. Everything it's a mixed. We are not getting what is exactly happening. Karanam first he is meeting a girl. That was unexpected. A kind of a scene. Pettanna they became very close and she's
that is also from America. അത് പുറത്തുള്ള Italy.
America.
ഞാൻ അതിനകത്ത് മറ്റേ ആള് പറഞ്ഞത് അങ്ങനെയായിരുന്നു, പുറത്തുനിന്ന് പറഞ്ഞ സമയത്ത്. രണ്ടാമത്തെ പ്രാവശ്യം
Milan. Then it is like all of a sudden she's telling my village is like very brutal kind of things like they were showing that means they are that much kind of a devilish people അങ്ങനെയാണ് തോന്നുന്നുണ്ട്. അപ്പൊ പുള്ളിക്കാരത്തേക്ക് നാട്ടിലോട്ട് പോണ്ട. അപ്പൊ എനിക്ക് തോന്നുന്നത് what I feel like he came to this is going to the village might be like to correct those people. അതായിരിക്കാം ഇനി.
But where Anushka Shetty will come?
Yeah, I even forgot about that she's in this
Anushka
movie.
Shetty is there in the movie, no? So second heroine ആയിട്ടാണ് തോന്നുന്നത് എനിക്ക് റിച്ച് ഉള്ളത്. അപ്പം ഡോണ്ട് നോ എന്താ സംഭവിക്കാൻ പോകുന്നത്.
Past Anushka Shetty ഇനി പാസ്റ്റിൽ എന്തെങ്കിലും സ്റ്റോറി ആണോ or is going to come a new story whatever is like, because still now we are not getting Brahmanandam entry and also these guys getting like close with all people. Why? For what?
But, and they are also fighters in the college. അതാ സംഭവം. ഫസ്റ്റ് തന്നെ സ്റ്റാർട്ടിങ് അവരെയും കാണിച്ചത് ഫൈറ്റ് ചെയ്യുന്ന സംഭവം.
ലോക്കൽ സപ്പോർട്ടിന് വേണ്ടിട്ടാണ് ഇനി
ചിലപ്പോൾ ലോക്കൽ സപ്പോർട്ട് ഇപ്പൊ അടുത്ത മൂവിൽ കേട്ടായിരുന്നല്ലേ
മറ്റേ പടം ആവേശം.
ലോക്കൽ സപ്പോർട്ട് എവിടെയൊക്കെ.
But he's very good at fighting things and all. Then why he need a local support? പക്ഷേ ലോക്കൽ സ്ഥലത്ത് വരുമ്പോൾ ലോക്കൽ സപ്പോർട്ട് വേണം.
He wanted to connect
with that. Is that guy is related to that girl's family? അതായിരിക്കാം സംഭവം. എന്തായാലും ആളുടെ പേരാണോ പൂർണ്ണ?
ആളുടെ പേരാണെന്ന് പൂർണ്ണ അങ്ങനെന്താ പറയുന്നുണ്ട്, മനസ്സിലായില്ല. പൂർണ്ണനി പൂർണ്ണേശ്വരനാണോ പൂർണ്ണേശ്വരിയാണോ
അതാണ് സംഭവം. സോ ഫസ്റ്റ് സീൻ ലൈക്ക് നമ്മൾക്ക് ശരിക്കും ഒരു എവിടേക്കോ ഇങ്ങനെ ചിതറി കിടക്കുന്ന ഒരു ഫീലാണ് കിട്ടിയിട്ടുള്ളത്. അപ്പൊ എന്തായാലും ഐ തിങ്ക് വിൽ ഗെറ്റ് ടു നോ മോർ ഇൻ ദ സെക്കൻഡ് ഓർ തേർഡ് സീൻ. ദാറ്റ്സ് വാട്ട്, ബിക്കോസ് സംവെയർ ഇറ്റ് ഹാസ് ടു സ്റ്റാർട്ട് ആൻഡ് എക്സ്പ്ലെയിൻ. ബിക്കോസ് ഇതിപ്പോ എന്താണ് പെട്ടെന്ന് വന്നു പെട്ടെന്ന് പോയി പെട്ടെന്ന് രീതിയിലാണ്. പെട്ടെന്ന് ലവ് ഒക്കെ പെട്ടെന്ന് വരുന്നു, പെട്ടെന്ന് മറ്റേ ബ്രേക്കപ്പ് ആവുന്നു, എന്റെ നാട്ടിൽ പോകാൻ പറ്റില്ല എന്ന് പറയുന്നു, അങ്ങനെയുള്ള സാധനങ്ങളൊക്കെ വരുന്നുണ്ട്. അപ്പൊ അതുകൊണ്ട് എന്താണ് 2013 മൂവി ആയതുകൊണ്ട് തന്നെ എന്തെങ്കിലും അങ്ങനത്തെ സാധനങ്ങളൊക്കെ ഉണ്ടാവോ, അതൊക്കെ ഇനി നമ്മൾ കണ്ടില്ല എന്ന് അടിക്കേണ്ടി വരും എന്നൊക്കെ നമുക്ക് അറിയില്ല. Because we are watching this movie in 2024, 2013 mode was totally different. So we are going to watch in the same mode. When I will see another video, please share your opinion about this movie and how it's going to be. Don't put any spoilers and all. പക്ഷേ കാരണം വെച്ചാൽ we are also not watching directly, we are reacting, we are not even looking before എന്താ പറയാ എന്തെങ്കിലും നോക്കുക പോലും നമ്മൾ ചെയ്യുന്നില്ല on the spot.
That's why we are getting into some area
like we are just getting because we don't want to even get not a little bit of clue about it. എന്തായാലും നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഈ മൂവി ഇഷ്ടമാണെന്നുള്ള കമന്റ് ബോക്സിൽ മെൻഷൻ ചെയ്യാത്ത വീഡിയോയിൽ കാണാം.